was actually under full anesthetic. And so I thought, oh, I'm doing the right thing. I'm going to have all those wrinkles removed and, come out looking really good. Unfortunately, 24 hours later, I was in the hospital. I don't know what happened, if it was something that the doctor did. He used the strength of the chemical peel or something, but I ended up in the hospital. I looked like a Cabbage Patch doll. And so from then on, it was like treatment weekly, steroids, going to the doctor, putting lotion on. Things weren't getting any better. All my friends said, "What happened to you?" And I felt really badly about telling them about what happened. They went and looked at the pictures and they said, "Oh my God, do you feel comfortable in public?" And I said, "A little uncomfortable because I'm working full time. I deal with the public all the time, and just feeling very self-conscious in some cases in terms of, what do I look like? Do I look like a really old lady? Do they ask questions about what happened to you? Were you in an accident or something like that?" And so finally somebody recommended Dr. Ali. And so going to her, and she said, "Yeah, I think I can help." And I was very skeptical at first, because that's what the cosmetic surgeon had said. And I went, okay, let's try this. It's something different. And I had really tried almost everything else, between the steroids and the treatment and things like that. And nothing seemed to help. He just said it'll get better over time. Some of it was very pronounced, and some of it was very scabbing. As it came very prominent, and trying to wear some makeup to kind of disguise everything. But after over a year, and it wasn't really getting any better to my satisfaction. Here I had spent all this money with a plastic surgeon, and I still didn't feel like I had gotten the results that I was looking for. Other people have confidence in you, and so getting a recommendation from my dermatologist, she said, "Hey, I think she can help you." And so I did a lot of research. I'm not the kind of person that just walks into something, and trusts somebody else. So I read up on as much as I possibly could on every kind of laser treatment and things like that. So after the first treatment, I went, okay, how many more treatments? And things started to get better gradually. And you promised me that after 3 or 4 treatments, things would get better. So they definitely have. My husband will every now and then remind me of what I looked like in the hospital. And then I look in the mirror and I went, oh, it's a different person right now. I feel much more confident. And when I go around and people know my age, which I'm not going to tell you, they went, oh, wow, I don't think I could ever guess your age. So it's been a game changer for me. And as long as I continue to look at myself in the public eye, and they look at me and they said, hey, she's a leader, and I look like that. I think the most disappointment, as you asked me about how I felt, is that the plastic surgeon never followed up.
Recently, you went on a girlfriend trip.
2 up.
2 of them.
I am young at heart. I am so active, and I think that's part of it. Things like this certainly keep me moving. I think the bottom line is that it's always a process. It's a roadmap. And if there are things that you can do to continue to kind of keep that essence of who you are. I had my annual physical yesterday, and my PCP, my primary care physician, said, oh my God, he said, you look gorgeous, you look great. And so, all of the results from the examination, he said, you're perfect. He said, keep doing whatever you're doing. So I'm back again to see what we can do, because I can see that there are some changes as I get older and I am active and things like that. So if there's some improvements that we can make over time, I'm willing to do it. The staff has been great. Rosalinda is my best friend now. She comes in and gets me all ready for Dr. Ali, and I can call over here and say I need to come in, or I need this help, or please explain to me about the procedure. And so I think that's the biggest thing, is understanding what the procedure is, how long it's going to take, because I don't want to have expectations that can't be lived up to. And so that expectation has been really helpful from the office. It's not a short-term fix. And I think that's the realization that you're not going to come in overnight and everything's going to get better. And I think what I went through in the hospital and almost a year after the surgery initially was an experience that I probably would never do again. And so I'm much more cautious. And so I think everybody needs to identify what they're comfortable with, get as much information as they can. Don't just accept somebody's word, oh, this will work or this won't work. But I think you need to feel that you're probably going to get the best results from Dr. Ali, because I'm very confident that I would come back here again.